Hi, I'm Disha Shetty, and my topic in innovation and design thinking is a reusable mosquito repellent machine. E-waste have become major cause for pollution as well as global warming. By e-waste, here I mean empty mosquito repellent machines. When the mosquito repellent machine refills become empty, we either throw the refill bottle or the whole machine. But here I have an idea through which we can reuse the machine for simple purposes. Buying a new machine every time it empties is not affordable for the common people, which costs rupees 150 to 350, but we can use the same machine to get rid of mosquitoes by this idea. Firstly, you need to on the machine to preheat it before use, and then by keeping a thin plate which is lightweight made of steel on the sockets or pores through which the vapors are released, and then place some powdered mosquito repellent dupe sticks which is available at low cost than the machines. How does it work? When we place that plate in there, it gets heated up and the powdered dhoop stick starts to melt and the vapors are spread across the room. When we can burn these dhoop sticks and keep on the floor, why to use this method? It's because dhoop stick will last longer than when it's just burned and kept. There will be no residue left to clean. You can also use normal dhoop sticks to fragrant the room in the rainy season due to pungent odor in the air and the room remains aromatic. Neem leaves can also be used. It is affordable and easy to use. Materials used in this reusable mosquito repellent machine is a mosquito repellent machine and a lightweighted plate of steel or aluminium, dhoop sticks or cones or mosquito repellent dhoop sticks, and the machine should be preheated. Thank you.